I am Dr. Priyanka Chatterjee, working as Assistant Professor in RDS College, Bihar University, Muzaffarpur. Today I want to teach on the topic Mendelism. Mendel. All of you know about Mendel. G.J. Mendel. Gregor Johann Mendel was father of genetics. He used pea plant and developed most important science in world, that is genetics. The transfer of character, the transfer of character from parent to offspring is called as heredity or inheritance. The laws governing heredity is called as Mendelism or laws of inheritance. Mendel used pea plant because it is very easy to grow, cross pollinated crop, and contain 14 chromosome in each cell of pea plant. What is the botanical name of pea plant? Pisum sativum. It contains twin number of chromosome 14. That means n is equal to 7. So each pea plant can contain 7 pairs of contrasting characters. When Mendel crossed 2 pea plants and he got 14 pairs of 14 chromosome and 7 pairs of contrasting characters. What are these characters? I am writing here. Now monohybrid cross. What is monohybrid cross? It is a cross where one character is taken at a time. One character only we can take here. Suppose for example, here we can take height of the plant. Height of the plant. It is cross pollinated crop. So two types of plant. One is tall and we can gives its allelic pair here. He used TT. And second one is dwarf plant. That means short plant. Allelic pair TT. What are these? Capital T, small t. These are the allelic pair. These are the alleles. These are the factors. Capital T, small t, small t. These are the allelic pair or factor, or in modern concept gene. Now here cross capital T, small t, that means tall plant, this is a dwarf plant, it form gamete capital T and it form gamete small t. After crossing it produced capital T small t. It is the F1 generation. F1 generation. What is the meaning of F1 generation? It is the first filial generation. Meaning of F1, F1 means first filial generation. F1 generation means first filial generation. These are the gametes, it's the first generation. Now if we do selfing, selfing means same plant, same genotypic content plants cross with another plant. That means capital T, small t cross with again capital T, small t. It produce gamete capital T, small t. It produce again capital T, small t, and capital T fused with here, capital T, small t fused with here, capital T, small t infused with here, small t, small t. That means here 3 tall plant and 1 dwarf plants are produced. What is the monohybrid genotypic ratio here? Monohybrid ratio of Mendel, monohybrid phenotypic ratio of Mendel is 3:1, and genotypic ratio 1:2:1. Here capital T 1, capital small t 1, 1, capital T small t 2. Therefore, this is a genotypic ratio 1:2:1. Here it is 1, these are 2, and it is 1. So, genotypic ratio is the 1:2:1. Now, on the basis of monohybrid cross, Mendel has given 3 laws. First one is law of purity of gamete or law of unit character. Second one is law of dominance. Third one is law of segregation. In the first law, law of purity of gamete or law of unit character, here all the gametes are pure for its character. They do not interact with each other during gamete formation of the if these are present in the gamete, 2 different genes if present, then do not interact with each other and form one gamete. So, all the gametes are pure for its own character. Second one is the law of dominance. Law of dominance in F1 generation. In F1 generation, these in F1 generation, here two characters when kept together, one to dominate to another alleles or another gene is suppressed by other character. So dominant gene which suppress the other, it is called as dominant gene or allele, which one is suppressed by the dominant gene, it is called as recessive gene. Recessive gene. Third one is the law of segregation. So in F1 generation, in F1 generation, alleles or genes are do not interact with each other and pass on to the F2 generation. So here when two alleles are present in gametic form, or they do not interact with each other and pass on to the next generation, it is called as law of segregation. Then the last one is the Mendel dihybrid cross. On the basis of dihybrid cross, last law of Mendel was law of, that means the fourth law is the law of independent assortment. Here alleles are, they are independent, they want to independent here and do not interact with each other and pass on to the next generation independently. So it is called as law of independent assortment. Thank you for this topic.